guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. Hope all is well. As you guys see by the title, we have another wig, girl. Yes, and this is from SAMSBEAUTY. They were so sweet enough to send it here for review. So we are going to be trying out this wig today. This is from Sensational, and this is the Cloud9 Hairline Illusion Lace Wig, and this is 100% premium fiber, and this is Solana. This could take heat up to 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. So this is exactly how it looks on her. So this is 13 by 6 customized 100% hand tie and pre-plucked to create a realistic, natural density illusion hairline. And honestly, I love this type of wigs. Girl, it's already pre-plucked. Girl, the job is already done for you. You just gotta put it on your head and style it, and you're good to go. I'm happy that this is actually 13 by 6, so we'll see how this plays out. So this is the color that I got. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So I probably won't have to put any heat on it because I really do like natural curls. I probably just comb it out and see how it looks. We get 3 combs, 1 on each side here, and we got another one in the back, and it's already pre-plucked. As you guys see here, we also got some baby hair. Okay, so this is how it looks, girl. It's really pretty. Love the color. I really do like the mixed color. Really nice. And this is the hairline. Okay. Really pretty, right? And let's just see the parting space. 13 by 6, so you get a lot of lace. Let's see. Yeah, I probably have to use my hot comb in the front. It's a little bit too puffy in the front there. Okay, so let me see if I could do a different style. I hate center part. Oh my gosh. If I could do so much with a wig and it's 13 by 6, why I gotta do center part? And I always do I always do side part because I don't know, I just love side part. Let me know how you guys like to wear your wigs. I just love this. I just like it in my face like this. You see how it's just like swoop? This is just me. You know, this has a lot of volume. You know, you could put it however you want. Girl, this is me, you know. You guys know I love my side part, so that's what I did. And you guys see right there, you gotta really cut off a lot of the lace to make it look very natural in the front. If you're one of those girls like myself that don't like all this glue in front of your head, girl, this is good for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is how it looks in the front. Now, another thing that I try to do, like when I cut the lace off in the beginning, then I'll put it on my head and see how many lace I need to cut off. And I think it looks very, very natural in the front. The color is really nice. Really, really like it. I love the streaks of blonde and then the copper on top. Love it. And I'll show you guys what it looks like here. You see the color? Okay, it's very, very long, okay, but you are going to experience shedding, you are going to experience tangling. Okay, I'll advise you guys use a whitey comb. It's a little bit more better with this type of hair. You see it's tangling already. Even though I brushed it out before I came back on camera, it's tangling again. So you will have to keep on brushing it, you know, to keep it decent. But I think like these type of waves is just to sit and look pretty. If you want to wear this for like a day or something, make sure you bring a comb, girl, because you will experience shedding. I am experiencing shedding and tangling, so I like to put it behind the ear. Just put it behind the ear and just like try to like cover the lace a little bit. But this is how I like to do it. I just like to see the side of my face, and then this side, it could be whatever, you know, just comb it up a little bit and probably like sweep it up like this. I like to have a little bit in the back and a little bit in the front just to cover everything. But I will list everything down below if you guys want to purchase this wig from SAMSBEAUTY. All the information will be listed down below. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And SAMSBEAUTY, thank you so much for providing this wig for the channel. Appreciate it. And if this is your first time here, hey girl, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, girl, and hit that notification bell so when I upload videos, you will be notified. If you like my wig videos, please give this video a thumbs up as well. It always helps. And don't forget to share, girl. Sharing is caring. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.